Today I'm making salted caramels. Unlike those horrible hard caramels you get on Halloween, you will actually want to eat these. These are pillowy soft and buttery, great on their own and used in other recipes. To start, you'll need to line a loaf tin with parchment or tinfoil. Spray the lining liberally with non-stick cooking spray and set aside. In a small pot, combine 120 milliliters of heavy cream and 113 grams of butter. Heat this over medium-low until the butter is melted. Then remove from the heat and set aside. In a separate, larger pot, add 200 grams of sugar, ,60 grams of corn syrup, and 1 tablespoon of water. Get this over medium heat and heat without stirring. Heat until the sugar starts to become a light amber color and reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, stream in the warm butter and cream mixture slowly. It will bubble up and then fall back down slightly. Now, you'll want to heat this until it reaches 245 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's come to temperature, remove the caramel from the heat and pour into a lined loaf tin. Allow the mixture to cool slightly for about 5 minutes, then sprinkle on some flaky sea salt. Then, set aside to cool completely. Once cool, remove the caramel from the tin and cut into portions. If you like this recipe and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing and feel free to connect with me on Instagram at chefstudio_.